Hi, and welcome to our festive video with tips for optimising mobile games. So before you roast too many chestnuts on that open fire, remember that heat is the main challenge for sustainable high-end game performance on mobile. To give some background, a typical mobile system uses a stack of package-on-package chips containing the CPU, GPU and DRAM. This makes for a small footprint, but it puts all of the major heat-generating components in one place. The total sustainable power budget for a smartphone is somewhere between 2 and 3 watts, depending on device and environmental factors. We're effectively running an entire gaming computer for less than half of the power of an energy-saving light bulb. This number is so small because smartphones have no active cooling and little internal airflow. They are built using glass and plastic, both of which are thermal insulators, and to make matters worse, users often add an aftermarket outer case to protect the device. Energy spent in one area can't be spent elsewhere without overheating the device. An application can choose to shift this power balance around though. For example, if you want to increase the power available for GPU performance, you need to reduce CPU and DRAM usage. Now, DRAM accesses are very energy intensive. A rule of thumb for an all-in memory cost, including memory bus, memory controller and the RAM itself, is around 100 milliwatts per gigabyte per second. You should also remember that a smartphone system will include a range of domain-specific processors, like the modem for cellular voice and data, processors for handling video and incoming camera images, and increasingly, a machine learning accelerator. These components share the same power budget as the core rendering system, so apps that make heavy use of these need to use the system's resources even more efficiently. Here's something you can try. Use the Streamline Profiler in ARM Mobile Studio to monitor activity across the whole system and see where you can reduce workload or memory traffic. You can also check for thermal problems by monitoring the GPU active cycles. You may see the fragment activity is maxed out, but GPU active cycles are dropping over time. This shows us that the system firmware is reducing the available frequency of the GPU to get temperature under control. My very last tip, as we're out of time and you've got gift wrapping to do, download ARM Mobile Studio, including Streamline, for free, and see exactly how your game uses mobile system resources. Thank you so much for watching and enjoy your festive holiday.